Welcome to American Blacksmith. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to make an anvil devil for marking metal. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to make the tool first that we make the anvil devil with. And then we're going to forge the anvil devil from A1 steel. Let's get started. For the bottom tool, I'm going to modify an old Hardy that I found here at the shop years ago. At first I didn't know what it was originally used for, and then I thought about it, and I actually have something that was made with this Hardy, and that is an old mule shoe here that was found here, and it happens to exactly match here. This is what is called a toe caulk, C-A-U-L-K, and they used to forge these, forge the piece itself, and then forge weld it onto the shoe. So they'd use this as a backer. I'm going to modify this tool so that it's an even triangle, but also larger, because these anvil devils are quite small. Here's what we're going to do. Start out with a piece of air-cooled steel, which I call S1, that has been recycled from some manufacturing machine. We need to reforge the Hardy so that fits properly into a bottom die, so we can do this all in a power hammer. So I quenched this piece at about 1500 degrees only up to this point here, because I don't want to have this too hard and crack anywhere in here. It should be softer than the hardened surface. So, okay, now we need to grind and dress up, clean up this groove here. So from here, we're going to take this square and lay it into our triangular die and make a triangular piece. This is our final shape. And we did preliminary grinding. There's still some more sharpening and grinding to go. All right, the advantage of this air-cooled steel is that it's even hard when it's hot, and then you just merely set it down instead of quenching it, and it will return to its original hardness. Thanks for being with us on American Blacksmithing, and next time we're going to hammer out another video.